Monitoring DNS security is essential for protecting your network from cyber threats, and with Tenable, you can efficiently do that. In this video, I'll show you how to monitor DNS security using Tenable, so stay tuned to learn how to safeguard your network from potential attacks. First, Tenable is a leading cybersecurity platform, and it offers a range of tools to monitor your DNS security. DNS security is crucial because vulnerabilities in DNS servers can expose your organization to various risks like DDoS attacks, data leakage, or malicious redirection. With Tenable, you can keep a close eye on your DNS environment and detect any weaknesses before they become serious threats. The next thing you should know is how Tenable integrates DNS security into its platform. Tenable provides a unified view, allowing you to see all potential DNS-related vulnerabilities across your environment. This helps ensure you're not missing any blind spots in your security posture. Tenable's scanning capabilities are another feature to keep an eye on. When monitoring DNS security, you need detailed insights into how DNS servers are performing, and Tenable delivers just that. It can scan for common misconfigurations, outdated software, and other vulnerabilities that can compromise your DNS security. The platform automatically checks for any issues that could be exploited by attackers. Next, let's talk about Tenable's real-time alerts. Once you have set up DNS monitoring, Tenable sends you real-time alerts if there's suspicious activity or new vulnerabilities. This helps you stay on top of potential threats, so you can take immediate action to address them. This feature ensures that you're not only monitoring, but also responding to issues before they escalate. The fourth thing to mention is Tenable's comprehensive reporting. It's not enough to just monitor DNS security, you need actionable insights. With Tenable, you get detailed reports that can help you understand the scope of any DNS-related security issues and prioritize them based on risk. This makes it easier to manage your DNS security in a way that fits your overall cybersecurity strategy. Now, here's the exciting part. You can try Tenable for yourself completely free through the first link below, and you'll even get exclusive bonuses to maximize your trial experience. That's right, you can start monitoring DNS security today without any upfront costs, so don't miss out on this opportunity. To wrap up, Tenable makes DNS security monitoring simple and effective, offering real-time alerts, detailed scanning, and easy-to-understand reports. With their platform, you can stay ahead of potential threats and maintain a strong security posture. Remember, the link below offers an exclusive and extended free trial of Tenable, so make sure to check it out if you want to experience all these features for yourself. Thanks for watching.